Hey guys, welcome back to my recaps. This is MK with Variable Traders. Today I took two trades today. One was on Altria, Momo. They had earnings this morning, so I thought it would be like probably a good long trade. But what happened was, it's been stuck in this consolidation like the last few days. The reason I went long here was because it had this strong green candlestick right here in the morning. So I went long at VWAP and it was above my EMAs. So I went long and I just covered into, or I sold into strength. And then I got stopped out right here at VWAP. So that was an okay trade. It was decent. AMD, this was a really good trade. What happened was, I took the exact same trade as Brian in the chat room. He had this really nice call out. He went long AMD and I also went long AMD at the same time. I went long at VWAP. I sold some right here, and on the pullback I added more. And then I sold some at this 50 EMA. I sold some at yesterday's close. Then I sold some at this resistance line. I sold more at this resistance line. And then I just kept selling into strength. And I got stopped out right here, this resistance line. But the reason I didn't hold all day was because it had these candlesticks with these like long wicks, and it's just like consolidating pretty much in this kind of like area. So I didn't want to stay in the trade too long, and it didn't look like it was going to break out of consolidation today. So yep, those were my trades for today. I hope you guys like them. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.